Welcome to our channel. I'm Mike. Hello everyone. Today I bring for tests on Makita angle grinder XAG04 in 10 ampere battery and 5 ampere battery. This is Makita XAG04 is one of our commonly used tools, the most cost effective, and the quality is very good. This is the latest battery BL2010B, which is a 10 ampere battery. It has a larger volume than BL1850B 5 ampere battery. When put together, the length increases by 3 cm and the height increases by 0.5 cm, but the battery capacity is 200% of the 5.0 ampere battery. Next we will test XAG04 data, official data, voltage, 18V power, no official announcement XAG04 no load speed, 500 RPM per minute advantage, BL brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes. BL brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer runtime per charge. Active feedback sensing technology turns the motor off if rotation of the wheel is suddenly forced to stop. The official Makita XAG04 no load speed is 500 RPM per minute. Can this speed be reached? The official does not provide how much power can be used. Can it exceed the plug-in angle grinder? Wait and test. The first test is the machine speed test and power test. The average speed of XAG04 for installed BL1850B is 7,460 RPM per minute. XAG04 for installed BL2010B average speed per minute is 7,600 RPM. Install the XAG04 of BL2010B. Voltage 19.86V. Current 5.75A. No load power is 114W. Install the XAG04 of BL2010B. Voltage 19.86V. Current 5.75A. No load power is 114W. BL2010B battery makes XAG04 speed and power slightly improved. The more important thing is in the back. Working hours and work intensity are improved very high. Be sure to see at the end. Now we conduct the second test. After testing, the no-load speed cannot reach 8,500 RPM per minute, and the no-load power can only reach up to 114W. If the working power can exceed 700W, it will be more powerful than a plug-in angle grinder. We will test it now. The second test, the comparison of cutting speed. The two batteries are working under fully charged conditions, and the comparison of working speed. BL2010B is the winner, but the gap is small, only 2 seconds ahead. In the third test, we will install the fully charged BL2010B and BL1850B on the XAG04 angle grinder, then polish the high hardness steel, and then test their working time. The BL1850B 5 ampere battery is fully charged. It stops working for 17 minutes and 43 seconds. Battery exhausted. The BL-010B 10 ampere battery is fully charged. It stops working for 45 minutes and 27 seconds. Battery exhausted. The winner is BL-010B. Wow, I believe everyone, like me, has guessed the winner correctly. However, many people would not think that the working time of BL-010B is 164% higher than that of BL-1850B when BL-010B is under high intensity work and has a strong potential and power output. BL-1850B when working for 8 minutes, I can feel a slight decrease in strength. At 13 minutes, the decrease in power is very serious, but BL-010B really shines in the test. The continuous working time is 164% higher than that of BL-1850B, which is already powerful. However, the high power was maintained continuously for 45 minutes. At the end, if you watch the spark carefully, you will know that BL-010B still provides powerful power to the angle grinder at the end. Even so, you will be surprised, but this is the advantage of the 21700 battery cell. The fourth test is continuous no-load running test, and test their power at work. And finally, I will make a table for comparison. The test is completed. The working time of BL-1850B is 59 minutes, and the working time of BL-010B is 115 minutes. After many tests, this shall prevail. BL-010B is 200% of the no-load start time of BL-1850B. From the table we can see that the battery life of the BL-010B 10 ampere is longer and the output is more stable. Angle grinder is very power consuming. I would recommend BL-010B battery, stronger and allows you to work faster and provides longer working hours under high load conditions. We have been using BL-010B for 7 months. From this video we can know, thanks to the 18650 battery upgrade to 1700 battery, not only the battery capacity has been improved, But more importantly, the battery's current output is more stable and the power lasts longer, especially work under high load conditions. Angle grinders are the best test objects. When we cut steel with a diameter of 2 cm, it is very difficult, and it tests the battery even more. During high-intensity work, the heat of BL1850B will increase more rapidly than that of BL2010B. As the temperature increases, the power of the battery will decrease, and then the battery consumption will increase. The temperature of BL2010B will be lower than that of BL1850B, so the power is maintained better and lasts longer. Why is the temperature of BL2010B lower? We will elaborate in the future. Therefore, in the test, the BL1850B can only work continuously for 17 minutes, and the BL2010B battery lasts for 45 minutes. This is due to the upgrade of the 18650 battery cell to the 21700 battery cell, similar to DeWalt and Milwaukee and SLA. So the biggest winner of this test is BL2010B. XAG4 is only a part of Makita, but BL2010B can upgrade all your Makita 18V machines. Yes, in fact, the working time is increased by about 160% under high load work. The power is increased by 15-25%. The no-load working time is increased by 100%. The temperature after work will be lower and the service life will be higher. The increase in speed is also the increase in cutting strength and polishing strength, and the power of the machine's working time is maintained promote 100%. I think it is worth buying. The volume and weight are increased, but the capacity is increased by 100%. The capacity is 200% of the L1850B, and higher work efficiency. The advantages outweigh the disadvantages. In the future, there will be a video that analyzes the upgrades and features of BL2010B in detail. In the next video, we will use the impact driver for testing. Then we will fight against 40V Makita in future. If you have a Makita tool, don't miss it. Follow us and like it. If you have any questions, you can leave a message in the comment area. Hey, have you encountered this problem? When there is no light, the angle grinder cannot find the cutting position, but this electric light can help you? Now I want to show that there is no light now. It is dark. I turn on the light now. Then adjust the angle. And then use the fixed position. Then find the work area and cut. When there is no light, I can turn on the electric light to illuminate the work area, like this. Solve the shortcomings of angle grinders without lighting function. The electric light can use 11 different bulbs, just like this. Replace the work light.